Before we get into this video, I have some very exciting news to share with you all. YouTube finally sent me, wait a minute, had to cover up my address. YouTube finally sent me a package, so I'm gonna open it and see what's in here. Okay, let's see what this is. I'm not gonna read all this. Let's just get to the good stuff. Whew. Finally. Presented to the Barber Style Directory for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. This channel wouldn't be where it is without you guys, so I just can't say it enough. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Everybody from behind the scenes from the Barber Style Directory team. I don't do all of this by myself. It's a joint effort, and we have so much in store for you guys in the future, so just stay tuned, I promise you. But without further ado, let's get into the video. This is going to be a very straightforward taper tutorial, and this is going to be a high bald taper. So here I'm just making my bald guidelines on the sides and in the back of the head. And it's going to look like I'm going fast, but this is basically my regular hair cutting speed. So I just wanted to show you guys how quick the process is. So here I'm just debulking the sides and the back with the 1.5 guard. This is essentially an undercut since he leaves the top curly. Okay, the next step is to take the clipper with the lever fully open and make a guideline about 1 inch high. And then from there, I'm going to fully close the lever and I'm going to gradually open the lever as I go up until I get to the top of that guideline. So each time you'll see me open the lever, I'll go up just a little bit more. Also, if you're new to this channel is all about helping you cut different hairstyles and teaching you how to become a better barber. So if you get value out of this video, I ask that you please subscribe. Now I have on the number 1 guard with the lever fully open, going right up under that 1.5 that we initially debulked with in the beginning. So the steps with this guard are going to be lever open, then I'm going to fully close the lever, and then I'm going to open the lever halfway to blend in between. Now the lever is closed. And as I just said, I'm going to open it halfway and blend in between. Now I'm coming under that number 1 guard with the half guard, and the lever is halfway open. And the steps with this guard are lever halfway and then lever closed. Just be careful not to go too high with this guard. And here I just came back with the number 1 guard just to do a little bit of touch-up work. So I'm basically just refining the haircut at this point. I like to do all the detail work on one side so that way I don't have to come back to it. Now I'm going to let you guys watch this side and the right side as well. So all I'm going to do the exact same steps that I just did on the left-hand side. And what I recommend doing, if you want to learn how to cut this hairstyle, pull up this video, find someone that will let you cut their hair, and play this video step by step. I try to make these videos as straightforward as possible, that way you can use a hands-on approach. You can watch haircut tutorials all day, but the best teacher is experience, so you'll never learn how to do these haircuts until you get someone in front of you and actually practice these hairstyles over and over and over. Getting the routine is what will make you a good barber, because you will get consistent results by following a consistent system. Here I'm going ahead and tapering the front with the 1.5 as well, and then I'm going to apply some hairspray just to hold the hair into place. The best tip I can give you for lining up the sides is just to not push it in too far and not to over exaggerate the arch over the ear. And use the corner of your blade to help you arch around the ear. And guys, I apologize for this camera being out of focus on the lineup. I just got this camera, so just bear with me. I promise you I'm gonna figure it out. From the monitor, it looked like it was focused, but when I went back and watched the footage, it was focused on my hand instead of the trimmer and the forehead. But like I said, I'm gonna figure it out for you guys. And once again, the easiest approach in my opinion is just to start in the middle, work to one side, and then try to match the other side. Well, here's the end result. If you guys have made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below what other tutorials you guys want to see. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up, comment below, and I will see you guys on the next video.